Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. Now, the first thing you need to do is install a VPN application directly onto your Fire Stick. From the main home screen, scroll all the way to the right to your app drawer and then down to Get More Apps. This will take you to the Amazon App Store. Once in the App Store, navigate to the search function. Click on the search bar and use the on-screen keyboard to type in the name of the VPN you want to install. After you find the app, click Download or Get to install it onto your device. The installation will only take a minute. Once installed, open the VPN application. You'll be greeted with a login screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard of the VPN app. It's usually very straightforward. There is typically a large power button or connect button that will automatically connect you to the fastest available server. Before you connect, I highly recommend changing one key setting for the best performance. Go into the app's Settings menu, often found in a corner of the screen. Look for an option called VPN Protocol. Tap on it and change it to WireGuard if it's available. This protocol is much faster and more reliable, which is essential for streaming high-definition video without buffering. Confirm the change and go back to the main screen. Now, you can either use the Quick Connect feature or manually select a server from the list. If you want to access content from a specific country, like the United States, simply scroll through the server list and select a server in that location. Click to connect, and within a few seconds, your Fire Stick will be secured by the VPN. You'll see a confirmation message or icon on the screen. To check if it's working, open a streaming app like Netflix. Sometimes, you may need to force close and reopen the app for it to recognize your new virtual location. When you reopen it, you should see the library for the country you connected to. And that's all there is to it. While the VPN in this tutorial gets the job done, if you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.